Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to Gen Z Financial. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my top 3 favorite dividend stocks. I've been investing in dividend stocks for quite a while. Right? I own quite a few. And personally, what I do is, for my investment strategy, I throw a lot of my money into dividend stocks, but I also throw a lot of my money into growth stocks. So I'm not going to tell you guys how to invest your money. But what I do is I like to split up my money, right? Because I'm younger, right? And I'm sure a lot of you guys that are watching this are younger. So generally, a good solid growth stock, which I'll be talking about in later videos, is going to outperform a nice dividend stock. But yeah, that's just what I personally do. So the first stock we're talking about is Reality Income, ticker symbol O. So Reality Income, $60 stock with a dividend yield of 4.68%, which is pretty good. If you guys don't know what Reality Income is, they are basically a real estate company. So they have 6,500 properties under long-term net lease agreements, which is a lot. And they are known as the monthly dividend company, right? So they pay a monthly dividend. And they have 606 months of consecutive monthly dividends paid and 93 consecutive quarterly increases, all right? So Reality Income pays a 23-cent dividend, right? And you might be like, that's not a lot. But you have to remember that they pay that 23-cent dividend every month. So that adds up, right? It's instead of it paying that every quarter, which would not be the best, they pay it every month, which is pretty good. So if you guys look at the Reality Income chart, the 5-year chart is very good, and all the dividend stocks I'm going to be showing you guys today have nice solid uptrends, and that's personally what I like to invest in when I'm investing in a long-term play. Is I look for constant uptrends. So if you look here, they have a constant uptrend. Obviously, they have that dip like most stocks because of the virus. But ever since then, they've made a nice solid recovery, halfway to where they were before the virus. So yeah, the next stock I'm going to be talking about is Store Capital, ticker symbol STOR. So Store Capital, $32 stock. They have a dividend yield of 4.48%, which is pretty good. If you guys don't know what Store Capital is, they are one of the fastest growing net lease REITs in the United States. And one of the main reasons that I chose them is because not only do they have a good dividend, but they also have Warren Buffett investing in their company. So Warren Buffett's company, Berkshire Hathaway, owns nearly 10% of the total shares, and he is a strong believer in Store Capital. And not only do they have Warren Buffett investing in them, but their dividend is amazing. 36 cents a share. They do pay quarterly, so this is not a monthly like Reality Income, but quarterly is still good considering that their dividend yield is so nice and they're so cheap. $32 for a 36-cent dividend is not bad at all. So the third and final dividend stock in today's video is going to be JP Morgan Chase. So JP Morgan Chase, like all the other ones, Store Capital, constant uptrend. Reality Income, constant uptrend. JP Morgan Chase, constant uptrend. So that's one of the main things that I stress is when you're investing in a long-term investment that you're going to be holding for a long term, invest in something that has a nice constant uptrend. You don't want to be investing in something that has a downtrend. You're going to be losing money over time, right? So JP Morgan Chase, $130 with a dividend yield of 2.69%, which is not bad. The other ones have a high dividend yield, but this is good considering they are a major growth company. You could just hold this just as a growth company alone, not even accounting for their dividend. Their dividend is also nice. So if you guys don't know JP Morgan Chase, basically everyone knows them. They're one of the biggest banks in the US or the world. And they have a dividend of 90 cents a share, which is not bad. I'm currently have a $1.80 dividend pending for JP Morgan Chase, and I turned on dividend reinvestment for all of these stocks. So I got paid a dividend January 15th for Store Capital, $3.60. So now I own fractional shares. And also same with Reality Income. I got paid $1.17 and now I own fractional shares. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys have any other good dividend stocks you guys would recommend, leave them down in the comments below. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.